Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your password in TradingView account. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, here you can see the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. In this menu page, you will see the sign in option at the top. Tap on it. This is the login page of the TradingView. Now select email. Here you can see the forget password link right above the button sign in. Tap on it. Here you need to enter your username, email or phone number associated with your registered account. So I'll enter my email address. Tap on this checkbox to prove that you are not a robot. Once you're done, tap on this search button. Now you will receive an email from TradingView. As you can see, I've received the email from TradingView to reset my password. So open this email and here you will find the reset password link. Tap on this button. Now you can change your password for this account. Tap on this field and now enter a new password which is strong and easy to remember. Once you set your password, tap on continue and you will receive the confirmation that your password has been changed successfully. So this is how you can change your password of your TradingView account. It's a very simple process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.